there, friends! Want to learn how I do things every day?
This is how I slip on my shoes. 1 foot, 2 feet. Now I can move. This is how I put on my gloves. Fingers in tight, just like a hug. This is how I brush my teeth. Scrub-a-dub-dub, clean and neat. This is how I put clothes away. Fold and stack. Done for the day. This is how I pick up my toys. Toys and books, all in their place. This is how I zip my coat. All the way up, now off we go. This is how I comb my hair. Nice and smooth with gentle care. This is how I wash my face. Wipe it gently all around. This is how I set my place. Plate and cup go in their space. This is how I sit and eat. Tummy is happy with something yummy. This is how I wave hello. Big wide arms and a smile. This is how I make my bed. Pull up the covers up to the head. This is how I open a book. Turn the page, take a look. This is how I water a plant. Pour it slow, not too fast. This is how I say goodbye. Wave my hand and say a cheerful bye. This is how I blow my nose. Grab a tissue. There it goes. This is how I stack my blocks. One by one, try not to drop. This is how I feed my fish. Just a pinch in their dish. This is how I draw a star. Point by point. It's not too hard.